Variables are like containers that hold information such as numbers, text, boolean, or other data type. They allow us to store data in our program. Think of them like boxes that you can fill with stuff and move around as needed. JavaScript depends on HTML. We can create a simple text editor as you can see in the video. After then, we simply replace the file name with something related our program and file type as HTML. It's easy to start write code in JavaScript language. First, we need to create our HTML content. If you don't know about HTML tags, don't worry. Do the same thing I'm doing and learn them in your free times. We can use two slash for add comments in our program. It can be for us or for other developers who can see your code. After that, as you can see in the video, we create our needed variables. It's important to learn variables. Variables are the most needed in every programming language. In future, you understand where you need them. Alert is a method. We have lots of methods and each of one does a specific action. We use alert for have a small print of our data. Now everywhere I need my name, I can call the variable has stored my name before.